are we doing together? Huh?
Mama dum.
What is this?
What do you think was done? It's slightly bigger. Yeah. To be fair, it is slightly bigger. Well, anyway, I was suggesting an idea because she said yesterday a bigger air fryer. So. Big roast, air fry, max crisp.
You have to go and get something like
So we got the big gift. Mommy was mentioning a lot about having a bigger air fryer because the one we have is little, so it's gonna make her day so much better with this big gift. Now, Daddy, you said we're gonna buy flowers for her as well, right?
yeah, flower.
And so
Go and get a bunch of flour.
exactly.
Then maybe we are done, or we might even get a packet of chocolate as well. I don't know. You know those chocolate that she likes?
Yeah, totally.
Another one.
We'll see when we get there. Yeah, that one looks good.
Huh?
No, those ones look dull. It's just one color. That one's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
One packet of Maltesers.
We're open in checkout too. Don't forget.
We're all done with the shopping. Now it's time to see my mom's reaction. Hi, Mommy. We just came back. Hey, Anna.
Oh wow. I've just finished cooking the rice. What is happening there? Hey. Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Bonnie.
Chineke. What is happening here? What is happening here?
Well,
What is happening here? What is this?
it's Mother's Day gift for you. Me and the kids.
Air fryer, big one. Oh wow!
We said we are going to surprise mommy with this
Oh
one.
wow! Kushene rice. You guys. Eh?
So, you get your Malteser, you get your Happy Mother's Day. So this one is your sparkling Prosecco wine
Oh.
for the day, okay? So have a
Thank
lovely
you,
day.
honey. For Mother's Day. Huge moment. Oh my word. It's good. Yeah. We bought this one when you guys were small. Now, a lot of stomach to feed. Oh, thank you, honey. Very thoughtful. Ever, you did well. It's only yesterday we.
I know, when we went there.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oh
All
yeah.
right, let me.
All right, thank you, Daddy.
Let me. Angel on earth. That is me.
Bye.